know that you can build your own Amazon clone app and start your own e-commerce platform? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you step by step on how to create an app like Amazon. You can create a marketplace where users can buy products from multiple sellers by following these steps. First, start with market research and planning. Before you start building, you need to understand your target audience, competitors, and market trends. Next, you should focus on features and functionality. Add features such as user registration, product catalog, search functionality, easy checkout, and multiple payment options. Then move to UI/UX design to create clean and intuitive interfaces so users can easily browse product, make purchases, and track orders. Then choose the right tech stack and build your platform to ensure it's fast, secure, and scalable. Then develop and publish your app on Google Play and the App Store. Promote it through social media, email campaigns, and SEO. Lastly, don't forget maintenance and updates because regular feedback keeps customers coming back. If you want expert help in building your Amazon clone app, contact TechGropse today to learn more about developmental process. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe and comment below.